Hi everyone, welcome back to Sonya's Prep. Today I wanted to show you how I make this tiramisu cake. It's my most favorite cake to make and to eat, of course, and it's not that hard to make. These are the ingredients that we will be using. We'll need about 2 to 3 packs of ladyfingers, 16 ounces of whipping cream, 2 containers of mascarpone cheese, some vanilla extract, 4 egg yolks, 1 cup of sugar, coffee, cocoa powder, and a mixer. Start off by mixing the egg yolks with 1 cup of sugar for about 5 to 6 minutes until they turn a pale yellow. Then add the 2 containers of mascarpone cheese to the egg yolk mixture. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix for about 1 minute until everything is well combined. In a separate bowl, beat 16 ounces of whipping cream until stiff peaks. Now place the whipping cream into the egg yolk and mascarpone mixture and fold everything together, being careful not to mix too rough, not to deflate the cream. Set the cream aside, and now it's time to make your coffee. If you have an espresso machine, that's even better, but I don't, so I'm just going to be making very strong coffee by placing about 4 teaspoons of coffee into a container with some warm water. Dip each ladyfinger into coffee and place them on your baking tray. Place the tiramisu cream over the ladyfingers and then sprinkle on with some good quality cocoa powder. Now repeat the process for the other layer. Once the tiramisu is all assembled, place it into the fridge for 24 hours so it could absorb all the moistness, and serve and enjoy. So here's this amazing tiramisu with this creamy velvety texture, and it is really such a great piece to host with and entertain with, or just to enjoy simply because it's so incredibly tasty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video tutorial and give it a shot. Let me know if you make it and how it turned out.